I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy Chomik downloads. We'll dive straight into practical methods for accessing files from Chomik. PL. You'll learn about various tools and techniques that simplify the download process, helping you bypass common restrictions. This guide focuses on efficient and straightforward ways to get the content you need, ensuring a smooth experience. Let's get started with the first key strategy. One effective method is to use the official Chomik PL mobile application, which allows direct file access and syncing. Additionally, dedicated downloader software like GetFLV or AliveSoft can significantly streamline your file acquisition process. Remember that registered accounts typically receive a complimentary weekly download limit of 50 megabytes, which can be useful for smaller files. These tools offer a more integrated approach to managing your downloads. Another powerful strategy involves using online premium link generators. These services aim to bypass Chomik PL's download limits by providing you with direct download links. Always verify the legitimacy of any third-party service before use. For managing larger files or multiple downloads, a dedicated download manager can be invaluable. These tools help organize, pause, and resume downloads, ensuring a smoother and more reliable experience. To further enhance your Chomik PL experience, ensure your internet connection is optimized for maximum download speed. A stable and fast connection is crucial, especially for larger files. Consider using a dedicated download manager. These tools can pause, resume, and organize your downloads much more effectively than a standard browser. They are especially useful for managing multiple files simultaneously. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed while you download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.